This one, no?
Oh, these? Yeah, these ones. That's how it makes spear, I think.
Does it have to be fresh or dry? Be dry.
Fresh! Fresh one like this.
Oh, yeah.
And you can burn it. And you burn it in the fire after.
Yes.
Take all the skins off.
Good. Yeah, it's good shot.
Straight up. Kulun darna birjat niya.
Good man.
Come on, nha, coi.
Was that a good one?
Lion. Benen keikko. Se on näin abirisen. Anta kullun battala ne ben.
Nah, kyllä.
Coba kau ngamu jumlah. Punya. Kak rulu bukan. Eta dina orang kenal tu golptun daldo. Rakkan dong kan nambe.
This is a spear, look. This one here. Wait. This is when we made it. Spear. This one here. When we cut, we start burn it.
Yeah,
After burn it, skin up. After skin up, make white, eh?
You peel off the skin out and just sticks here. Later on, sometimes when it's a bit crooked, we burn it, then we straighten up with a hand, so it can be straight, meat straight.
And go to fishing.
Yo, ready.
Why do you burn it? To make it stronger?
Make it stronger. Yeah, and plus we have to make these ones sit straight.
Okay.
Yo.
And it stops it from going wobble.
Yo. Banyak.
Amarkan ei ollut markkaa perä. Käydään
1, 2, 3.
Tuolla.
One more. Hey, one more. Oh.
Anna, nappari.
Kapteli.
Knife over. Let's get it.
Hei, tekee, anna.
Knife.
Joo, naamen.
Come on, we'll go in.
Do you guys want to cut one for yourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah, now that's a tribal shot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Keikko. Benen. Benen. Meiko. Go! Benen! Hello, go! Go.
Oh, listen for that elephant. Go.
Make it somebody.
Agora, cuidado. Kudat.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Wait.
Yeah.
So did the other guys go to the game? Already? Like the dreadlocks?
Yeah, and Jonathan.
Oh, so the girls. So they already won.
Are you guys going to football Saturday, are you?
Yeah, we're thinking about it.
Where are you going?
swim.
It's worth your effort. Yeah, he's hilarious, isn't he? Yeah. See if we can get a little video of him singing like that, man. Yes.